Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I got all 4 of these quick and easy hairstyles. Perfectly good if you're working off of day 5 hair and you're just feeling really lazy. So if you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. First thing I'm going to do is start off by doing my edges. Having my edges done is really going to pretty much complete all of these hairstyles. I don't do anything special with my edges because I can't really figure out how to style my edges, so I just kind of swoop them to the side with some gel. I'm just using the Eco Styler gel and just brushing it to the side. Once I have that done, I'm just going to spray the top of my hair and then brush it up just to start forming a ponytail. I'm going to pull out some pieces just so I can go in and kind of curl those pieces once I get my bun the way that I want it. Now that I have my bun, I'm just going to put some gel on these little pieces, twirl them around. It just gives your bun a more cute look, and it just looks like you actually tried. I really didn't try, I just did this in 5 minutes. But it's super easy. And then you can tuck away some of the curls that are flyaways if you want to give it a more finished look. And that's it. Alright, moving on to the next hairstyle. This is honestly the easiest hairstyle. It's the half up, half down. All I'm doing is taking half of my hair, putting it into a ponytail. And then I'm just fluffing it out. I'm gonna spray it a little bit and fluff it out, make it look like you want to. It's okay if it's not perfect because this is not supposed to be like a perfect hairstyle. It's just kind of supposed to be like a spunky updo. Half up, half down, updo. Updo? Half up, half down. Y'all know what I mean. And that's it. Alright, I'm going into this next hairstyle. I kind of got a little inspiration off of someone that I saw. These are the 2 high puffs. So I just parted my hair and I'm spraying it down. And I definitely think I'm going to start wearing my hair like this because I just tried it out and I really liked the way it looked. So I'm like, yes, I'm definitely wearing it. All I'm doing is taking part of my hair, putting it up into a bun. It's so simple. And then just spray that top part, brush it down, and put the other bun into a bun. And there you go. Alright, last hairstyle. It is a very cool way to kind of vamp up your normal everyday ponytail. I'm going to part my hair and now I'm just going to twist the front part of my hair and move the hair in the back out of my way so I can twist it. I'm going to twist it all to the end, bring it to the back of my hair, and then put a bobby pin in it. Then I'm going to pull my hair up and just put it into a ponytail. And then I'm just going to spray it down a little bit because I really didn't want like a poofy ponytail this time. I just wanted a regular little old ponytail. And as you can see, those curls are still there. And that's it, guys. These are all of the easiest hairstyles you can do within 4 to 5 minutes each one, probably even less. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.